Hi guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. I got this from a pre-order, a lot of freebies from Samsung. Some specs of the Galaxy S10 Plus. I got the 128 GB of storage, and also here are the freebies. 7,000 voucher and also a voucher of 10% off. Okay, here we're going to unbox it now. Moment here. So here it is. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that, baby. Looks good, right? Okay, so we are going to remove this and let's see what's inside this. Okay, we have the pin ejector here. Moment. Let me just try to open this. Okay, there you go. Wow, they have the casing, a free casing. Basically, this one is quite good. It's really hard. It's not that the soft one. It's very. It's a hard plastic. Look at that quality. It's really good. It's solid. And some paperwork's here. The quick start guide, warranty card, and how to start your new phone. That's it. And here's the phone itself. Oh, looks gorgeous. Really gorgeous. And also they have the, what's this? Oh yeah, it's the sticker of the NTC. Wow, the screen's so big. Okay, then fix it warranty card, 10,000 coverage. And has a smart SIM card. This is in an open line. And also we have the cable with the USB Type-C there. And the adapter, fast charging. We got everything for free, unlike Apple, right? And also another adapter. We have the phone. Yes, this one is really good. The build quality is really good. If you purchase the black one, you'll get black accessories. All the accessories is going to be black. So let's go to the phone itself again, and let's try to remove this plastic cover, the back. All right. I think there's another plastic here at the front, so I'm going to try to remove it. All right, here. Remove it. Ooh, satisfying. All right, we have the speaker grill there, the USB Type-C, the headphone jack still there, and also we have the power button. I think that is microphone, and also the SIM card tray. We have the volume rocker and also the Bixby key. All good. Look at that. And the cameras, 3 cameras at the back, and I guess that one is also the heartbeat sensor for health purposes. Looks cool. Look at the design. Really good. Let's try to start this for the first time. So you can see the boot up screen there. The RAM is 8 gig. It's gonna take some time. If it's a first time startup, so let's go. Let's set up everything here. Okay. Rare all data for quicker setup. No. Okay, I'm going to set up the Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi. I'll just go back. I just saw my neighbor's Wi-Fi connection here. Okay. Wi-Fi password. You can see the punch out hole there. All right. Just a sec. Checking info. Sign in. Okay, I'm going to sign in my Google account. Just click my Galaxy S10 Plus. And later I'm going to transfer all my data from my Galaxy S9 Plus to my brand new Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, here. There you go. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to set up the fingerprints, which is an ultrasonic one. This one is new technology. It's a Qualcomm's technology. So I'm going to set it up here. Oh, alright. Okay, now I'm going to, let's just scan your fingerprint. It says, I'm going to scan it now. Wow, that's smooth. Right, 41%, 47%. Oops. Right, moment. 80%. Get a full scan. Continue. Okay, 7%. Press a little harder. Get a full scan. 100%. Done. Okay, here you can add another fingerprint if you want. So I'm going to add my other thumb. Okay. All right. Sorry about this, guys. Let me just try to set up everything here. Just a moment. That's really good. Basically, if you're going to try to set this up, there's no haptic feedback. It's just like you can just see the status percentage of the screen setup. Alright, apps recommended. No, I'm really good at Galaxy series. I don't need bloatwares. My Samsung account. Bring your data from Samsung Cloud. No, maybe later. No, later. Skip. All done. Finish. Yeah. Oh, by default it's pink, huh? Okay. But anyway, I'm going to change the wallpaper, the screensaver or whatever, the lock screen as well. Look at the screen, looks gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, good. Look at that camera. Nice, right? Look at that. Zooming in. Look at the wide angle one. You know, this really camera's really good. Really, really good. That's basically it. Okay.